Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So, you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So, this is to the other part that I was telling you guys about. So, this is from, again, eXtremeRate. Let's get this bat knife. Okay. So here we go right here. This is basically the LED kit right here. So basically it makes your controller really bright. You get screws right here for the extra stuff that you're gonna need. Warranty, screwdriver, prying tool. We get the new Thumbsticks. Sorry about that. I said the Thumbsticks. The Dpad. We get all the other extra buttons and stuff like that. Also with the Dpad right here. As you can see, it's clear see-through right there. So, I'm going to get started getting this thing together. And I will have a video later on at the end of this video. So I will catch you guys in a few. Sorry if my camera is just shaking. That's because I hit it. And I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace. I'm out of here. Okay, guys, I am back. It took me some time to do everything because basically I ran into some problems with the boards, and I do need to get some new ribbons and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have to get a replacement and some stuff. But I managed to keep everything into place like that. I'm gonna have to get me some double-sided tape just to keep the piece inside since I wasn't able to latch it. So I'm gonna fix that parts up a little bit later. But this is basically what it looks like. So let's basically turn it on. As you can see, we changed the thumbsticks. As you can see, everything is different. And I know I am in the dark. I just wanted you guys to see that. So everything works. So let me just power that on real quick. As you can see, LED right there. So here is the star of the show. And I'm just gonna leave it off with you guys with some B-roll, and after I power this on, we're gonna go straight to B-roll, and that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. So let's power this thing on real quick.